What's up YouTube? Gear with Amir here, and today we are covering a massive tech unboxing. At least massive for me. There's only 3 boxes, but we'll get there. We'll get into the bigger stuff as the channel grows. But thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to go through some of the cool new tech that I've recently gotten off of Amazon. Amazon is truly the best way to get cool gear tech. If you don't have Prime, I recommend you get it. It's amazing. Gets me on my tech 2 days, anything I order. It's actually really bad because since I have all my payment stuff saved on there, like gift cards that I've gotten, my address, they just make it so easy. And this isn't paid for by Amazon, it's just, I really love Amazon. It makes it so easy to buy stuff. But today, like I said, we're gonna go through some of the stuff that I recently got. I've been looking online for just, cool gear in general that, I need just for my day-to-day stuff. As well as I'm actually moving to Palo Alto in the next week and a half. So me and the wifey, we're hitting the road. We're actually driving 33 hours, might be more. It's gonna take like 5 days to get there. But we're actually gonna be driving to Palo Alto. Just trying something new. I'm gonna, work remote from my day job. I'm in sales, I can do that. Makes it great. She's gonna be travel nursing. So we're both really excited about it, but that's a long road trip. So I not only wanted to get some gear that I need from day to day, but I also wanted to pick up some stuff for that road trip. So things that'll make my life easier being in the car for the next 33 hours, as well as transporting all my gear, like my camera, and some other stuff as well. So that's what our unboxing is gonna be focused on today. I'll have some follow-up videos as well as I put together my tech bag and some emergency, tech travel kits. So definitely subscribe if you haven't. I actually been posting videos pretty much this whole week on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook. So those all should have just streamed across the bottom. So definitely tune in and subscribe to those, and we'll get everything started. Hope you enjoy. So on most YouTube channels, people unbox with a knife, right? Like a little K-bar or one of those little hook knives. I don't know what it's called. Looks cool. Looks like something out of CSGO. On Gear with Amir, we do things a little different. Instead of a big knife, we use a little sword. So this I actually got, the wifey got for me. I had a bad day one day and I asked her to pick me up something cool. And she loves me, so she did. Always get you a good wifey. This is the sword that we'll be using for all my unboxings. So let's get ready. I really like this thing. It's actually pretty sharp, surprisingly. I think she got it from like a flea market or like a pawn shop or something like that. But I feel like a Klingon when I have this. I know they had the double-handed things, but I really like this. It makes me feel like a Klingon. I actually have a whole set of them on the wall up there that you can't see those. You can't see those up there, but I do have a whole set. But enough jibber-jabbing. Let's get to the unboxing. So I always like to start from smallest to biggest when I open things. So we'll go ahead and pop this open. So we'll use the handy dandy trusty sword and get this box opened up. Like I said, it's pretty sharp. Like it'll open the box pretty well. But gotta make sure we don't cut my hand off. So we'll get that open. We'll get this edge over here. Pop this open. Hopefully I get this all right because we can't redo this. And then we'll pop this open and let's see what we got. So first thing we'll pull out is, what is this? It's like a cleaning cloth. I think one of my cables is in here. So I love handheld gaming. So like I have my DS right here, my 3DS XL. I got a couple games for this. Keeps me entertained. Honestly, I play a lot of Tetris on this. I love Tetris. And I think this first one is a cable to charge it via USB. So let's pop this open and see if that's the case. So it actually has a nice little microfiber cloth. You can never have enough of these. So this is really cool to have that microfiber cloth in there. And then, let's see. I think this is the one for the 3DS. Pop this open. We got this bag here. So yeah, it's yep, this is the one for 3DS. I don't know what that end is called, but you know, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's a pretty good cable. It had great reviews on Amazon. It's got decent length, USB right into the 3DS, and it has this this plastic around the cord, so it keeps it sturdy and makes it so that I can keep the cord for a long time. It's not going to deteriorate anyway. So this is actually going to go into my travel kit. It's actually a great cord for that. And then, like I said, I have the 3DS, and you can just plug it right into the back here, and then boom, I should be able to plug this into like a battery pack or my computer. I think I might be able to charge from. We'll see if I can charge with my computer, but I know I definitely needed this for that long trip. It's gonna make it a lot easier to charge when I need to. So this is great. Real excited to have this cable. So we'll put that right there. All right, so yeah, really like this cable. That's it right there. Like I said, it has the plastic, so it should hold up pretty well for everything that I needed to. So excited about this cable. Let's see what else we have in this box. Ah, yes, my Aki. So these two go great together, as this is my 30,000 milliamp per hour Aki battery pack. Really excited about this one. It's gonna be great for the road. So I'll be able to plug in my Nintendo Switch, my 3DS. I'll be able to charge my iPhone 10. It does have quick charge, as well as I can charge it, looks like via USB, as well as Lightning as well. So there's the Aki, and I'll pop this open and I'll do a review on this one as well. But excited to get this one. This should be a cool little charging pack to use as well. I think it actually has a flashlight on it also, so make sure I can see in the dark. That's always a plus, right? So great. So excited about this one. So we'll put that off to the side. Let's see if anything else is in here. Let's see, nothing else, but you know, always like to take care of these. Now we'll move on to the next box, the second biggest box, which is this one right here. We're going to pop this bad boy open and see what we have inside. So we'll just slide that underneath. I always wondered what it would be like to use this for like hunting or something like that. I'm not a hunter. The only time I ever cut meat is if I'm cooking chicken or like a steak or something like that. So I always thought it'd be interesting to actually use this in like a hunting scenario. You know, when the yeah, we'll just leave it at that. We'll just leave it at that. So we'll pop this box open. Go ahead and see what we got inside. And this first item here, Amazon Basics. I don't remember what this is, so we'll pop this open. This is actually working out very well in terms of a box opener. So if you're in the market for box opener, get you a little sword. This is from Amazon Basics. Throw that over there. This is like a hard case travel pack. We'll pop this open. So this is the Amazon Basics hard case travel pack. And essentially what I'm going to use this for is I'm going to use this to make an emergency or like a travel tech kit. So you can see it's pretty hard. It's actually pretty good build quality. This is only like 10 bucks. We can go ahead and pop this open as well, so you guys can check out what's inside. The zipper has a little strap right there. Awesome, this is really nice. So I can slide some stuff in here. Let's see. Oh, it's got a nice Velcro, that's awesome. So it'll keep everything secure. I got a couple pockets here. Like I said, it's all pretty sturdy. I like this, yeah. I'm excited about this. I'll be able to keep all my cords. I have a lightning cable, USB. This new cable that I got for the 3DS, that's of course gonna go right in there. I don't know if it'll go right there, but it'll go within this bag. But I'll be sure to post a video about this soon, as I think it's something everyone should have. You know, you hate having all your cords and your cables just jumbled up in your bag, and you know, they get all knotted up and it's hard to pull them out. So excited to have this, put that together, and you know, like I said, definitely subscribe. You should see a little button pop up right there, as I'll be coming out with a lot more content. So, you know, definitely check that out. So cool, excited about that one. Put this off to the side. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh yeah, this is the my Mophie capsule. So you can check that out right there, the Mophie capsule. So I didn't get the AirPods, not for any particular reason. It's just I have my Beats, the ones that go over your ear. I actually really like them a lot. But the one issue I have, as someone who, you know, I walk my dog a lot, ride my bike a lot, I always have them on. They're constantly dying. I never remember to charge them. It's not as easy as just putting your phone on a wireless charger. So what this case is for is it's a case for my Beats, but it actually has a plug on the inside. So it has micro USB on the inside, and I can plug in a cable, and I can then charge my Beats, and I can protect them at the same time. So they're always going to be charged up, ready to go, as long as I, of course, have the case charged. But hopefully the case will hold a longer charge than the Beats, and then I'll have the Beats charged all the time, and I can listen to music and be excited and have a great time, ride my bike and enjoy it. It'll all be great. But yeah, so excited about this Mophie case. This is gonna make its way into my travel bags of Cali for sure. So really excited about this. I'll pop this box open, and I'll actually do a separate video on this one, and give you guys my thoughts once I try it out. So yeah, excited about this one too. All right, let's see what else I got in the box. So we'll pull out the next one. I don't think there's anything else in there yet. That's empty, so we can get rid of that one. Get rid of that one there. Don't need these, don't eat these. Don't need these though. We'll throw that over there. And then this, another box from Amazon Basics. I know what this is. This is actually opened. Please notice I didn't use the knife, so this must have been returned. Thanks for that one, Amazon. But yeah, it was already cut. That's kind of weird. You can see I have not edited this. It was already cut. That's odd, but you know, it's just a case, so we'll pop it open. So yeah, this is nice. This is nice. So it's a Amazon Basics hard case. I got it in red, honestly, only because they were sold out in the black, and I didn't feel like waiting. So it is made by or for the Nintendo. I know it's co-branded by Nintendo in some way, shape, or form, but it is a hard case, so it should protect my 3DS pretty well. So we'll go ahead and pop this open and see what we got. So yeah, it looks great on the inside. You know, the 3DS slides in there. Got some slots for to slide a couple games in there also. I don't have that many games for my 3DS, so I'm not too worried about, you know, having too many slots. But that fits in actually really nice. And I can pop the games in. So here you can see it right here. Pops in real nice. It's just got these elastic straps, which hopefully they'll hold up pretty well. And then you can pop your games in right there. So yeah, this is the Nintendo 3DS case by Amazon Basics. I'll actually probably put this cord in my 3DS case, so that it's all together. Just makes it easier. But yeah, this is pretty nice. And I always like the cases that don't have the handle on them. I just feel like it gets in the way. So yeah, excited about this. It should fit well into my travel bag. So cool. We'll put that off to the side. And then last but not least is this one, the Big Kahuna. So this is the one I'm probably most excited about. The one I probably needed the least, but I wanted it, so I bought it, so I got it. It perks of having a job being an adult. Kids, it's the best thing in the world to have a job being an adult. You do gotta pay bills, which sucks, but you can buy stuff whenever you want to. So let's get this one open, as I've been excited to use this and get this. It did go out in the rain, so I'm not able to just tear this open. We'll put the sword down when we tear this open. Just so I know what it is, and I'm so excited about it. There we go. Pop this open, put that there. Make sure that my other camera don't fall off, and here we go. This is awesome. Man, this thing looks good. This is the Incase Icon Pack. Alright? It's not the slim, it's the full size Icon, and it actually stands upright all on its own. That's really nice. I'm really actually excited about this one. So I got the black. It comes in like, I think, red, blue, I think like a green, some other colors. I don't know if this will fit on my other camera, but really excited about this pack. I'm gonna use it, like I said, as my travel bag. From this point moving forward, I have a North Face right now, but I just wanted something with a little more padding, a little more protection, and a little more functionality. Now that I got a nice camera and some other stuff I want to carry around, I'm really excited about this bag. It has a lot of pockets, so you can see on top. We'll just go ahead and open it. We'll pull it open, see what it's got in there. So a little clip there, some pockets, pins, dividers there. So it's all pretty padded in there. I think it'll keep everything pretty safe. I think we have another pocket here. Oh, there's plenty of room in this. So I plan to put like my camera, my Switch, my 3DS in here. Everything should fit in just fine. I know it has a little, I think it has a little pocket on top. Yeah, this one right here as well. Excited about this section. I can put like point and shoot camera, my phone, some other stuff. And then the cool thing one thing I really liked about this bag is, one, it'll fit a 15-inch MacBook Pro, which I currently have, so I use to edit on. But it also has these side pockets right here that look like they just kind of wrap around you, but they're actually functional. So I can pull these side pockets open, like this green one here is probably where I'll put my Aki. And then you have this hole right here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. So you have this hole right here, so I can put a battery pack in here, and then I can have my phone in my pocket and still be able to charge it. Or if I'm walking around using it. I plan on doing a lot in San Francisco. That's gonna be right in Palo Alto. So I plan to do a lot of walking, hopping on the BART. So I think this will be really, really good for that. So really excited about this. This bag, the Incase Icon. I think it retails for about $199. I was able to get it on Amazon for about $130. So pretty decent savings. I mean, the savings I got on this paid for the Aki and the Mophie case almost, but nonetheless paid for got some good savings. So it's always fun to save. So excited about that. And I think that covers it. That's the unboxing. So that's all the cool new tech and gear that I got. So really excited about everything. Like I said, I'm gonna be putting some other videos together, so definitely tune in and subscribe. I'll be putting all of my gear as I get ready to move and hit the road into the bag. I'll do a tech pack video and then also check back for my my travel tech kit as well. So again, that's Gear with Amir. Appreciate you guys checking me out. Peace.